The belief in the superiority of one race over others, including the idea that white people are supreme, has deep historical roots. This ideology, often referred to as white supremacy, is built on false and harmful ideas about racial hierarchies. There are a few key factors that have contributed to the persistence of such beliefs. Colonialism and slavery. European colonial powers used the idea of racial superiority to justify their domination and exploitation of non-European peoples during the age of imperialism and slavery. By claiming that white people were superior, they rationalized the brutal treatment of indigenous people and enslaved Africans. This legacy has had a lasting impact on social and racial structures in many societies. Scientific racism. In the 18th and 19th centuries, some scientists and philosophers promoted scientific ideas about race that falsely categorized people into hierarchical groups, often placing white people at the top. These theories were widely discredited but were used to bolster discriminatory policies and practices. Social and economic power. Historically, white people in many countries have held significant social, economic, and political power. This power has often been used to maintain the status quo and perpetuate the belief that white people are better or more capable. People in power have used these ideas to reinforce their dominance and exclude marginalized groups from equal rights and opportunities. Cultural narratives, media, literature, and education systems have often reinforced the notion of white superiority, either explicitly or through omission. These cultural narratives can shape attitudes and beliefs over time, influencing people's perceptions of race and power. Fear and insecurity. Some individuals may be drawn to white supremacy because it provides a sense of identity and purpose. This can be fueled by fear of losing power, privilege, or status, especially in times of social change or demographic shifts. It may also stem from economic hardship or a sense of personal or societal decline, leading to scapegoating of marginalized communities. It's important to note that these beliefs are based on unfounded prejudices and have been widely debunked by contemporary science, which recognizes that race is a social construct rather than a biological determinant of superiority or inferiority. Many people and movements around the world are working to dismantle these harmful ideologies and promote equality, understanding, and respect for all people, regardless of race.